The Woodland Institute of Nursing, Laitkor, had organized its first convocation today, the 25th of May 2023, where the chief guest on the occasion was the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, while the guest of honor was the Dean of Life Sciences Department, Nehu, Dr. Nirmalendu Saha. One of the objectives of the convocation is to make all nursing graduates feel that their hard work and studies are highly valued.
In the presence of this assembly,
myself before God and in the presence of this assembly,
to pass my life in purity, and to practice my profession faithfully,
Woodland M Lyngdoh, Maya Convocation, Febby Bonroy Lonaway,
now in a very immediate future, I am aware that Assam as a state has now 11 medical colleges. In fact, I had a special meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam to ask him his magic mantra. How did he manage to do that? And you will not believe what the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam told me. You just have to convert your existing systems into institutions where doctors can have hands-on learning experiences, nurses already in the system can join hands, and we can have these much-awaited medical institutions. It is true that the government now is planning a government medical college in Shillong city. And it is true that we're going to be using the facilities of Ganeshdas, of Civil Hospital, of Red Chest Hospital to ensure that we conform to the medical requirements for the starting of a medical college. It will happen. It will happen. And I sincerely hope that it will happen super fast. In Garo Hills sector, we're also planning a medical college. In Tura, things take time. I know there is an anxiousness and an anxiety, much expectation for my two small shoulders, that I am willing to walk the talk and make sure that whatever can be done should be done. We will stop passing the buck. We have to take important decisions. And we have to make sure that we utilize these services with one intention in mind, and that is to provide for the state of Meghalaya the best healthcare system in the entire country. We're working very hard, I assure you that. And I hope that very shortly we will be able to do all of those things. But in the meanwhile, dear nurses, please work hard. That solemn vow that you just took is beautiful.